Tashi Dele and Namaste. I'm honored to represent the beauty and the culture of Tibet, the roof of the world. My name is Tenzin Paldon, and I'm your Miss Global Tibet 2023. Through my presence in this pageant, I aspire to bring Tibet to the forefront of people's mind once again. Tibet is not just a place, it's a way of life. It's a land of breathtaking landscape, rich traditions, and resilient people. We celebrate our heritage through vibrant festivals like Losar, where we dance, sing, and wish for prosperity. We find peace and spirituality in the serene monasteries that dots our landscape. Being Miss Tibet means more than just representing our culture. It's about giving back to our community and making a difference. I am proud to represent the strength, grace, and the beauty of Tibetan women. I stand as a symbol of the empowerment and unity. Through this journey, I hope to inspire others to embrace their roots, pursue their dream, and to be proud who they are. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. Together, we can shine a light on Tibetan's unique culture and its people. Tashi Dele.
Dang yam shu dang ba yana yu ko je so bor so dang so ni don chu tin de ge sa ma ten ji pe den ga ka bu de ke ka Miss Global zang me de
Welcome, Miss Global. My main purpose here to be in this pageant, to inspire to all the women who came from small towns.
I'm the control of China. You cannot speak. This is the politics. This is not document or whatever. This is so trash on
This is
the.
like unfair to us.
de da chok so de be de yu gi nang de ge zang ma xin ka chi ne gang de ji zang me de lu ka gi nang yam shu nang gap so yang yana shu ne de du bu de pa so lu shu de de ba che so yo ba ni yong da yi ba de chi so da ke Facebook lo so ban nang mang be khong lang nga chu shu nang yo ba tang ka chi ne nang zo yana la ne le ke ba da ne shi tu ko nang we de xin yana ne ta de yi ben nang ba tin bi de ge chi bu yin ba ko be chen yang tong ge tu de ge zang ma de se be